Hello pong muli, nose sign and symptoms pa rin po tayo, runny nose. A runny nose with an acute onset is due to an invasion of wind, which may be wind cold or wind heat, but it is especially likely to occur with wind cold. The severity of the symptoms reflects directly the severity of the cold as opposed to wind. A chronic runny nose with a sticky discharge, which is usually yellow, is generally due to damp heat in the stomach channel, often corresponding to sinusitis in Western medicine. A chronic profusely runny nose with a clear watery discharge indicates a deficiency of lung qi with empty cold, often corresponding to allergic rhinitis in Western medicine. Such a profuse watery discharge also may be due to a deficiency of yang of both lungs and kidneys and of the governing vessel. Nasal discharge may indicate either phlegm or dampness. For example, a sticky yellow nasal discharge in a person suffering from acute bronchitis indicates phlegm heat, whereas the nasal discharge of a person suffering from sinusitis indicates damp heat. In some cases, nasal discharge may not fall into either category, but it is due simply to an impairment of the lungs diffusing and descending of fluids. Example of these are the chronic nasal discharge of allergic rhinitis or the acute nasal discharge seen in the common cold. A white, watery, and dilute nasal discharge is seen either in allergic rhinitis or in the common cold. In the former case, it is due to deficient lung qi failing to diffuse and descend the fluids, whereas in the latter, it is due to external wind impairing the lungs, diffusing and descending of fluids. A white and sticky nasal discharge may indicate either an external invasion of wind heat or chronic retention of dampness in the nose and sinuses. A sticky yellow nasal discharge indicate chronic retention of damp heat in the nose and sinuses. A blood stick nasal discharge may indicate either phlegm heat in the lungs or damp heat in the nose or sinuses. Nasal discharge. Summary. White, watery, dilute, cold phlegm in rhinitis, lung qi deficiency in the common cold, external wind. White sticky, dampness. Yellow sticky, damp heat. Blood streak, phlegm heat or damp heat. Invasion of wind cold. Runny nose with profuse white, watery discharge, itchy throat, acute onset, aversion to cold, fever, cough, slight breathlessness, stuffed or runny nose with clear watery discharge, sneezing, occipital headache, body aches, thin white tongue coating, floating tight pulse. So acupuncture po natin, larynx intestine 4, triple burner 5, bladder 12, lungs 7, and bottom. Invasion of wind heat. Runny nose with yellow discharge. Acute onset, red nostrils, aversion to cold, fever, cough, sore throat, stuffed or runny nose with yellow discharge, headache, body aches, slight sweating, slight thirst, swollen tonsils, tongue slightly red on the side in the chest area or on front part, floating rapid pulse. So pag ganun po, acupuncture natin ang larynx intestine 4, triple burner 5, bladder 12, lung 7, large intestine 11, and B2. Lung G deficiency with empty cold. Chronic runny nose with white watery discharge, sneezing, slight shortness of breath, slight cough, weak voice, spontaneous daytime sweating, dislike to speak, bright white complexion, propensity to catching cold, tiredness, dislike of cold, feeling cold, cold limbs, pale tongue, weak pulse. This may correspond to allergic rhinitis and Western medicine. So, acupuncture po natin ang bladder 13, lung 7, ran 12, ran 6, bitong, and moxa. Kidney yang deficiency. So, there is lower back ache, coldness, feeling cold, bright white complexion, weakness, tiredness, lassitude, abundant clear urination. Urination at night, impotence, decreased libido, pale and wet tongue, deep weak pulse. This may also correspond to allergic rhinitis and Western medicine. So, acupuncture po natin ang bladder 23, kidney 3, kidney 7, ran 4, bitong, small intestine 3, bladder 62, governing vessel. Damp heat in the stomach and spleen. Runny nose with sticky yellow, full smelling discharge, facial pain, feeling of heaviness of the head, sticky taste, a feeling of fullness and pain of the epigastrium and lower abdomen, poor appetite, thirst without desire to drink, nausea, greasy stool with offensive odor, a feeling of heat, dull yellow complexion, red tongue with sticky yellow coating, slippery rapid falls. Toxic heat in the lungs and stomach. So runny nose with yellow, red, and swollen nose, bloody discharge, breathlessness, foul breath, cough, headache, swollen and red face. There is epigastric pain, thirst, tongue red with red points, and thick, sticky, dry, dark yellow coating, overflowing, slippery, rapid falls. Clinical note. Remember, a white watery runny nasal discharge indicates allergic rhinitis, whereas a sticky thick discharge indicates sinusitis. Thank you po for your attention.